Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to separate common transactions into one script and how to integrate them in multiple scripts in your OctoPerf. Let's take an example at a login transaction. You have a login page and you have 10 scripts and you have a login page for all the 10 scripts. So instead of making your script for making the username changes or the any header changes, any request body or anything changes, so no need to change in each and every script of your on your Octop in your when you are using OctoPerf. So when you make that request at a common sharing point, then you can use the same transaction in all the scripts with one single change. So first we need to make a single shared transaction. We need to first create a fragment. So in OctoPerf we'll call it as a fragment. So click on the plus icon, and after that you will have fragments here. When you click on the fragments, you get into the page. So I'm creating it as a common pages here. Common pages. Okay. Yeah, we created it as a common pages as a request and saving it. Yeah, I've saved it. Now the second step is to create a common transaction. What you want to create it. So just I'm creating a simple web request, REST API. So here I'm using a taskinterview.com and I'm using get request as a common home page. Then create virtual user. We got the request here. Now on this request, you need to add a container. So if you go to the container login actions, add a container there. From this container, just add a transaction and make it as a common home page. Common home page. Home page as your transaction. This is a common home page for all the scripts what we have going to it. Here I'm using the script name as a common home page. Common home page as a script name and common home page as a transaction name. So after creating these requests, what are the requests you want to continue to as a part of the shared thing? So you can have multiple requests here. After creating that, you will have a transaction here. So after on the container, right side you will have a link icon. When you click on this, it will show as a movers link. Under that, it will show you all the fragment names you created earlier in your project. So we have already created the common pages. I'm selecting that common pages, move as a link. So now it was modified, and you want it here. It will show you on the link, but not the actual request here. So for that, we need to go to our design. So here you will have common pages. What we create as a fragment. Come to the fragment here. The actual request from the common home page is moved to the common pages here. So yeah, here you can do your request changes here or the modification post data, all the changes here, all the changes here. So if you change in this one place, it will update in all the scripts wherever you're using this. So now we'll see how to integrate this common transactions into our script. So let's take a thread group as a simple script, which I'm using. They just have just parallel request here. Now I want to add that common page. Now how to add it? So after coming into the script where you want to add it, click on logic actions. Under this you will have a link. Click on the link here. So it will show you the all available fragments in your project. So what fragment you're using or what common part you're using. So now I'm using as a home page first. So I'm creating a home page. Now we have we have saved it now. Now if you click on this, it will be running the common home page. Home page transaction will be running here, and that was an under common pages fragment, and the transaction name is common home page. So if you want to open the request or that transaction, just click on that transaction fragment which you want to open, and click on open linked action. When you click on this, it will redirect to the respective request here, what request you are using here. Okay. Yeah, so this is how we can use our common transactions or common request in multiple scripts and managing it as a single transaction throughout your project. So yeah, we can use multiple fragments in your script. So there is no limit to use restricted count to use a limited fragment. So we can use any number of transactions as there are same and equal all the time. Yeah. Thanks for listening this, friends.